Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, the quail and the squirrel decided to mark the boundary between their lands. However, trouble brewed when the squirrel struck the quail, leaving him heartbroken and in tears. The barking deer happened to pass by and noticed the quail weeping. Concerned, the deer asked, "Why do you weep, friend?" The quail replied, "The squirrel took my land and hit me. That is why I am so sad." Determined to help, the deer said, "I will look into your land dispute." But the squirrel overheard their conversation and quickly devised a plan. When the deer arrived, instead of addressing the issue, the squirrel struck the quail again, accusing him of lying. Days passed, and soon the wild mitten came wandering by. Noticing the quail's tears, he inquired, "Why are you crying?" The quail recounted his woes. "The squirrel took my land and hit me, and that is why I weep." With a strained heart, the mitten declared, "I will see about your land." But just like before, when the mitten came to investigate, the squirrel denied everything and struck the quail again, saying, "Why do you tell such lies?" Finally, the clever mantis appeared on the scene. He noticed the quail's distress and asked, "Why are you weeping?" The quail shared his tale of woe once more. The mantis, determined to resolve the issue, declared, "I will see about your land." With great cunning, the mantis approached the squirrel and caught his eyes with his powerful front legs, rendering the squirrel helpless. "Why have you caught me?" pleaded the squirrel. The mantis responded, "Do as I say, and I will draw a boundary between your lands." And so, he established a clear boundary, granting all the trees and creepers to the squirrel while the ground belonged to the quail. Overjoyed, the quail thanked the mantis and celebrated his newfound wealth and happiness. And from that day on, the quail lived in peace, with a rich land of his own.